Hello guys, how are you? Today's our topic is image reference and we will see that how we can use images in MidJourney and we can edit our pics. So for this reason, we will not waste our time, we will just start our today's topic. So first of all, we will have to click on this plus button. A small pop-up will come and we will click on upload a file. And from here, we have to choose our pic and we will choose this pic and click open, and here also again click or hit enter, so this pic will be uploaded. Here is our pic and we will click on it, then right click on it, copy image address or copy link. So both will do the same work. If you will click on it, your link will be copied. Now click anywhere. So now come here, we will type slash, this pop-up will come, we will click on imagine prompt. After clicking on it, we have to just paste our link. So with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, and then space. Now here we will write our prompt. So here is our prompt. You can see and read blend of comic book art and line art and smooth book illustration in purple and blue of a fantasy stylized magic stuff symbolizing dark shadow and corruption. So now we will just click or hit enter and we will see that what will be the result of it. Here is the result. Let me open this and we will open it in new browser so we can see the full quality of it. Same. There are 4 variations. If you like anyone, if you want 4 variations of this pic, this is pic 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you want 4 variations of the same pic, you have to click on V1. But if you want to upscale any pic, you have to click U1, U2, U3 and U4. So I think everyone will like this pic. So let's see that what will be the result of it. We will go here. So we want 4 variation of this. If we will click on U4, this will upscale this only pic number 4. This will not be 4 variations. If you want 4 variations, you have to click on V4. We will click on V4, we will get this result. Let me open in new tab so we can see that full result. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose anyone that you want to upscale. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's assume that we will take U1. We want that this pic want upscale. So we will click on U1. So when we will click on U1, we will get this result. Let me open it in new tab so we can see the full quality. So this is our final result. I wish this video will help you to edit your pics in MidJourney. If you have any type of queries, you can contact with me. You can comment. I will reply you.